Okay, children. So the name of the chapter is The Asses That Made Trees Bloom. So this is yes. Anything tomorrow English is there? No, any doubt is there about the exam? I have clarified the doubts, but if you have no doubt, okay. If you have any still any doubt is there, you please ask. Tomorrow English is there? No, I told you about the chapters, the type of questions will come, everything I told. Any doubt is there?
Yes, sir.
No doubt. Yes.
No doubt, sir.
Sir,
Okay.
doubt
The grammar part
अब,
सर
please tell.
ग्रामर में जो डायरी आ रही है उसमें हेडिंग भी डालनी होती है.
No. In grammar, you will get either three types are there. One is coupled words. One is unedited passage. One is gap filling. So there you have to write according to number. There may be MCQ also in grammar also. Okay. So you have to pick the appropriate choice. That type of grammar will come.
Sir, in diary we have to write heading also.
Yes. Diary, no need of heading, no. I told you in notice and notice you are writing the heading. Heading means only you draw the square in the answer sheet. Don't write anything, draw the square. Within the square you write down. And take the photo and upload. Understood? Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir, understood.
Yes. Anybody has any doubt, you tell me.
Sir, like in notice we write the lost, but in diary we have to write like this or
Are
not.
one at a, please tell one at a time. If you overlap, no, how I will reply.
Sir, can I speak?
Yes. Give him time. Others listen. Yes. Please tell.
Sir, in notice we write heading like lost purse. Then we have to write heading in diary like this also.
No need. Then diary not required. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Mostly your message only will come. Two people will are talking on telephone based on the talk. You are writing one message. That question is in there in 6th class. Like that one message may come. Most probably because that is easier and put by NCERT. So you please see 6th class question, you will get the idea. Okay. If you see 6th class question, there will be no problem. Any other thing is there? MCQ, see, reading will be there, one on-scene passage. Writing, so reading part on-scene passage means from somewhere the passage will be taken and you have to answer the questions based on the passage. I gave you the clue also. If you do not understand the passage, please read the questions. The questions will give you clue how to understand the passage, about what the passage is written. And what is asked you, please write that one. Don't write unnecessary details. Some children know line 1 to line 5, totally they copy in the answer sheet. That is total waste of time. That's why I have given some MCQ. MCQ means multiple choice question. In one question, there may be 4 choices. The appropriate choice you have to write. Don't write all 4. Don't write the passage. Don't write the passage in the notebook. Don't write all the options. Only for example, for number 1, beat 1, A is the option. So what is the A you put and what is written in A? That one only you write. Don't write all. Your time will be saved. If you write the passage, time will be wasted. Within time you cannot complete the paper because 1 hour 30 minutes only for writing the paper 8 to 9:30. You have to write. So within that, if you write passage, no, half an hour will be lost. Don't write. Don't write full passage. Only see the question, write the appropriate answer. For example, number 1, bit 1, answer is A. So write down A, then what is written in A, that one only you write. Don't write full. A, B, C, D, all 4 you don't write. Don't waste time. And directly in writing, directly you go to the answer. If it is message, if it is notice, if it is diary entry, please go to the answer directly, straight. How to write, you start. Draw a square in pencil. Within the square, you write down. Word limit is there, okay. I told 5-10 words more, does not matter. Don't count the words, don't get tension. I have written 55 words. Question it is given 50 words, don't take that tension. All words, try to write within words. If you fail, how much is there? That much, maybe less. 50 words means anyhow 50 likhna hai. Don't think like this. But all the requirements, what is required? For example, you are writing the message. Date should be there. Then the place should be there. Time should be there. Date and time must. Then to whom you are writing the message, that should be there. And what is required in the message? What is definite? What is must? That you put your name below. Message is over. Draw one square. Within the square, you write the message neatly. Writing, rubbing, scribbling, don't do. With clear handwriting, what is required, that much you write. Within the notice, you please write. Notice or message or diary entry. 3 things you prepare. Similarly, in grammar. In grammar, suppose jumbled words are there. Okay. Writing, anyone will come. Either notice or message or diary entry. All 3 you write. Read. Anyone will come. Out of these 3, anyone will come. One unseen passage will come for reading. Based on that passage, questions will be there. We have to attempt. How to attempt, I told. Suppose question number 1, beat 1. 4 options, answers are there. A, B, C, D. Suppose the answer is C. So beat 1, number 1, C you write. And write the answer. Don't write all A, B, C, D. That is waste of time. And don't write the passage in the answer sheet. That is also waste of time. Don't write. Understood? Then message or notice or diary entry within a square. You draw in pencil in the answer sheet or notebook like this. Within that you write. It will be neat. It will be neat presentation. Write neatly. And try to send one single PDF. Not some are sending 4, 5, it becomes difficult to correct. Because we have to open in the mobile and do. So it becomes a strain for the eye. If you send in single PDF, it will be easy for us to correct and send to you back. Otherwise, it will take a lot of time. Because one who will see, then other one means first one will be going somewhere. How to calculate the number of first PDF, then second PDF, then third PDF we have to calculate. It takes lot of time and it is inconvenient also. So in writing, you please do like this.
Sir,
Then you
how much
see.
time to read the passage?
See, don't spend more than 10 minutes. Don't spend. And you see the question. If you do not understand, again read the passage. And there are 4 answers, no. All answers will seem correct to you. But the proper answer you have to choose and write. In 6th class, many children, they were overjoyed and made mistakes. When good children could not score 30 marks. Some 5 papers I did today and found that the good children also whom I expected will get 36, 37. They have got 32, 31 like this. Because they did not read the choices properly. That's why. Read it and what is asked, that is very important. What is asked, that much you write. Nothing more, nothing less. Okay. This is a method. Then unseen passage also, What is asked, you see? Notice or message. What is the information you have to give? You think first, then you do. Don't give extra information because you need not give that much. Then you draw this and do. This will be regarding reading and writing. Now grammar.
Sir,
Yes, yes.
sir,
Yes, yes.
सर ज्यादातर क्या आएगा, नोटिस, मैसेज या डायरी राइटिंग?
ये मैसेज ही आएगा ज्यादातर आपका। मैसेज
ओके
आंसर से
सर।
तैयार
सर और सर क्या बोलते हैं हम, जो वो है हमारा एग्जाम पेपर आएगा, उससे पहले हमें रीडिंग टाइम मिलेगा पैसेज को
नो
पढ़ने के
नो
लिए?
नो रीडिंग टाइम नहीं मिलेगा बेटा। At 8 only you will 7:55 it will be uploaded. आपको 8 to 9:30 40 marks 40 marks
टू रीड
1.5 hour। पैसेज छोटा देते हैं, पैसेज लंबा नहीं होगा, डोंट वरी। पैसेज विल बी 2 or 3 पैराग्राफ्स मैक्सिमम, ज्यादा नहीं होगा।
Yes, sir.
मैं जानबूझ के छोटा ही दिया हूँ बिकॉज आपका टाइम कम है
सर,
ना।
प्रोज या फिर पोएट्री?
हाँ सर, वरना इंग्लिश का पेपर बहुत बड़ा आता है।
नहीं बड़ा
सर,
आता है।
प्रोज होगा अनसीन मैसेज में, प्रोज होगा या फिर पोएट्री?
ऑनसीन में बाहर से आएगा, बट एक्सट्रैक्ट में प्रोज आ सकता है, पोएट्री भी आ सकता है। ऐसा नहीं प्रोज आएगा बोल के। आपको ये चैप्टर अच्छा से पढ़ के जाना है। द रेबेल, गोपाल एंड द हिल सर्फिस, these two, and from that supplementary 2 chapters, desert and the cop and the anthem, अच्छा से पढ़ के जाना है। कहीं भी एक्सट्रैक्ट आ सकता है, एनीवेयर। पार्टिकुलरली जो स्कॉप एंड द एंथम से ज्यादा क्वेश्चन आएगा, ओके, क्योंकि वो थोड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी है ना, उनसे ज्यादा आएगा, ठीक है। और डेजर्ट के बारे में कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स क्या है डेजर्ट का? मे बी दिस इज ए ड्राई एंड एरिड प्लेस, देयर इज लेस रेनफॉल, एंड व्हाई camel is called the sheep of the desert, like this value based questions may come. So if that comes also, don't worry, you have read it in your own language. You write grammatical mistake and tense mistake. Tense mistakes and spelling mistakes you please avoid. Write neatly, clearly you write. Don't make mistakes. Don't try to write very difficult words with simple words. You write. There should not be mistakes. That's all.
Sir,
Then you see grammar. Yes.
sir, to
Yesterday,
write,
day before yesterday.
sir,
Tell me,
sir,
tell me.
the question also comes that you have to write the name of poet or
नहीं, if it is asked, सुनो, आपको पूछा गया तो लिखेंगे, नहीं तो क्यों लिखेंगे?
okay, sir.
Suppose name of the poet is asked, लिखो. If not asked, why to write?
Okay, sir.
जब पूछा गया, who is the poet of this poem? आप लिखेंगे. Not asked, why to write? Understood?
Okay, sir.
No. Name the poem and the poet, लिखेंगे. Suppose पूछा नहीं गया, why to write?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So
Okay,
what
sir.
is asked? See the question. What is asked according to question you write. Don't write unnecessary lengthy answer. जरूरत नहीं. आपको जितना चाहिए उतना ही लिखेंगे आप. तो टाइम सही होगा. If you write unnecessary details, आपका टाइम वेस्ट हो जाएगा और मार्क कुछ नहीं, फायदा क्या है? You should be not be at a loss. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So any other doubt is there?
No, sir.
Any child has doubt, you please tell me. Because there will be 40
सर,
marks.
ग्रामर में क्या आएगा?
ग्रामर में आपका jumbled words and unedited passage and gap filling, anyone make up. Jumbled words I told you day before yesterday. Suppose Ram is a boy, तो is आएगा boy
Is a boy Ram?
like this. तो आप लिख रहे is equal to Ram is a boy. Don't write the question, only write the answer. This is called jumbled words because words, no, they should be having one meaning if joined. If no meaning is there, it is not called one sentence. So jumbled words, the words are scattered here and there. If they are attached properly, that makes sense. So in that way only you do, otherwise it will be wrong.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, in the grammar will omission also come?
नहीं, आंसर आपको लिखना है. There will be no answer.
नो सर, मैं ये पूछ रहा हूँ कि एग्जाम में जो ग्रामर पार्ट होगा उसमें सर ओमिशन वाला भी आएगा?
On क्या बोल रहे on?
सर एग्जाम में ओमिशन वाला भी आएगा क्या?
आ सकता है. Omission, unedited passage, gap filling and this lumbled words. थोड़ा देख के जाओ.
ओके सर.
Easy only will come. Omission मतलब mostly is, was, ये सब omission कर देंगे तो आप निकाल के लिख सकते हैं जानबूझ के, कोई प्रॉब्लम
यस
नहीं.
सर.
Easy one only will come. और कुछ डाउट है तो बताओ.
नो सर.
Any girl is having any doubt? Only boys are asking. Okay. Now if I proceed the course also, it will not come in the exam. Please don't worry. Course भी चलेगा because otherwise our half yearly exam will be there and course will not be completed. Any other doubt is there? Please tell. Otherwise we will proceed the syllabus. Okay. So please open the textbook. Honeycomb. Please open page number 55. Honeycomb. So the title is the assets that made the trees to bloom. Bloom means to produce flowers. Okay. Ashes means the residue after a fire. In Hindi it is called rak. No, ashes means in Hindi it is called rak. So this is a old story of not Indian story totally. Okay, it is a story of Japan, 19th century Japan. So in Japan there were daimyos. Daimyos means wealthy landowners. DAI. Wealthy or rich landowners. So in the 19th century in Japan, there were wealthy landowners, those who were known as daimyos. Please note down, daimyos, wealthy landowners. They were called daimyos. Correct? So there was a poor farmer. He was honest. So there was an old couple. Couple means husband and wife. Husband and wife are called couples. So in Japan, in a particular place, there was a couple. There were a couple who were hardworking and honest. Okay, they were honest. And they were also hardworking. So in Japan, what happened? Who is making noise? What happened?
Sir, your voice is echoing. Sir, everyone's voice is echoing.
Not sound is coming in a blurred manner, not hearing anything. Okay. Any problem is there, you please, otherwise WhatsApp you send, I will see. In writing you send. Okay. You please send in writing. Please send. Okay. Any problem is there, please send in writing. Okay, I will see the WhatsApp and reply to you. Anybody has any problem?
No, sir.
No
No,
problem.
sir.
Then who is making noise? Nothing, any problem is there?
No.
Then from your side only noise is coming. Computer it is showing. Okay, please listen. So demo means the wealthy landlords. So in Japan, at that time, there were demos. The demos were wealthy landlords. Okay. Then you see, there was a hard-working couple. Couple means wife and a husband. So the hard-working couple were there. So they had a nice dog. Okay. They had a dog. The neighbors were not good people. Troublesome means bad people. The neighbors were troublesome. Troublesome means not good people. Bad. So they killed the dog. The dog also died. But after dying also, the dog remembered the old couple and wanted to benefit the couple. So the story tells the spirit of the dog gives solace and support to his master in an unexpected way. Solace means consolation. Consolation. In consolation in Hindi is called santvana. To give hope to somebody. Okay. So the story is about an old couple who lived in Japan. Japan was at that time, they were ruled by daimyos. Daimyos were powerful landlords. They were ruling over different parts of Japan. They were very powerful and rich. So the story tells about one honest and hardworking couple and their story. And they had a faithful dog. Their neighbors were all wicked people, bad people. So due to them, how the dog died and how the couple, they crossed the difficult times in their life, how the dog helped them in unexpected ways. This is the story. So the title, no, the ashes that made the trees to bloom. Bloom means
Sir?
bloom. Yes.
सर आपने ट्रम्बलेंस का क्या लिखा है मतलब
Honest, troublesome means bad. TROUBLESOME. Troublesome means bad. BAD. Then
Sir?
solace I have written consolation. SOLACE. Solace means consolation. Consolation means in Hindi it is called not to increase, not to decrease the pain of the person. It is called consolation. So at that time in Japan, there were rich and wealthy landlords called daimyos. So the story tells us about an honest and hardworking couple. They were honest as well as hardworking. About them we will read today. Clear?
Sir,
Yes.
so you have written the spelling wrong of damois.
Daimos means wealthy landlord. In the book you see it is there. DAIMIOS. MIOS. It should be written. DAIMIOS.
Sir, it means the wealthy landowner.
Ah, yes. In the book you see Daimos. Spelling you I have written differently. Spelling will be like this. Okay. So Daimos, DAIMIOS. Daimos are wealthy landowners Couple means husband and wife. And there was a couple who were honest and hardworking, but the neighbors were bad people. Bad means troublesome people, always creating troubles, always creating difficulties. They were called troublesome people. Okay, they had a dog. The dog was killed by the neighbors. So killed, you know, man's body will die, not the spirit. In Atma, in Hindi it is called Atma, it will not die. So the spirit of the dog wanted to help the old couple in different ways. That is the summary of the story. So they had a dog. The dog was a pet dog, and the neighbors, one of the neighbors, he killed the dog. Though the dog died, it wanted to help the old couple in different ways. How the dog helped the old couple? This is the topic of this story today. So the title is The Ashes That Made Trees Bloom. Ashes means the residue after burning. After something is burnt, no, whatever is left. Residue means whatever is left is called ashes. That made the trees bloom. That made trees bloom means if you put under trees, the trees will produce flowers. So that is called blooming. Clear? I will rub. Shall I rub?
Sir, 2 minutes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Please note down. Please note down. I will rub. Then we
What
will
are you
go to the
written first? Diomus.
Diamos. Yes, Diamos. See, A is there. No, it can be Diamos. Or see, in English, sometimes they tell finance. Sometimes they tell finance. Similarly, Diamos, Diamos. In pronunciation, it will differ. In pronunciation means we should go to dictionary and pronounce properly. Okay. We are Indians, no, English is not our mother tongue. So the way we pronounce, that will be different. Some people are telling finance, some are telling finance. Okay. So pronunciation differs.
सर
Clear.
पर हमारे इंडिया में भी ऐसी बहुत सारी जगह हैं जहाँ पर इंग्लिश बहुत ज्यादा बोली जाती है.
Because it is not our mother tongue, no. So if you
तो सर मेरे को तो आज तक समझ में नहीं आया.
if you want to pronounce, see, yes. If you want to pronounce properly, no, you have to see one phonetic dictionary. There, no, how the word
is not a Hindi.
Which one?
Sir, Gangtok, Assam, Kerala.
Yes, that will be in English only. Not in Hindi. Hindi is only in northern belt, not in other parts of the globe. Okay. Mostly in Maharashtra also they tell Hindi differently. Rajasthan also Hindi differently. Every state also.
Yes, sir. The accent is changed.
Accent in the words also change. We tell boy, we tell ladka, but e chora, like this they are telling. This is change in word.
Haryana they are called Tabar.
Yes, it happens. What to do? Okay, we'll start the chapter. So some background idea you have about this chapter. I told in the good old days of the Deimos, there lived an old couple whose only pet was a little dog. Having no children, they loved it as though it were a baby. As though means as if. Okay, so the couple were childless. They had no children. So as though means okay, as if. So because they had no child, the old couple, they regarded the dog as their only child. So the dog was very much loved by them because they had no children. That's why. Okay. The old dame made it a cushion of blue crepe. Okay. The old dame made it a cushion of blue crepe, and at mealtime, Muko, for that was the name, would sit on it snug as any cat. Muko is the name of the dog. Muko. Name of the dog. So they called the dog Muko. And the old dame. Dame means the lady. The lady are the mother, or you may call here the old lady. Okay. The old dame made it a cushion of blue crepe. Crepe means you know. Okay. Crepe. You are eating it with like a seafood. So
Sir,
and
tepla.
yes. So and at meal time, Muko, that is its name, would sit on its snog. As snog as any cat. Snog means comfortable. Snog. So though it is a dog, it was friendly with them. Snog means comfortable. It is given in the book, you see. So because you know Japan is an island, so the main food is rice and fish and all types of seafood they will consume. So when they were the crepe and gathering, the dog would comfortably sit with them, and snog means sit comfortably and also enjoyed their company and the food. Okay, the kind people fed with the tidbits of fish. Tidbits means different kinds of fish. Tidbits. Tidbits means variety of fish. As you know, fish was the staple diet of Japan, rice and fish. So the old couple used to feed the dog with variety of fish from their own chopsticks. They do not eat with the hand. They eat with chopsticks and all the boiled rice it wanted. So it is a, you know, Japan is an island. Mostly seafood was available. So the variety of fish that were caught by the old couple, they were being made food, boiled or fried along with rice they were eating, and they were giving plenty to the dog also. Okay, the dog was also given plenty of different variety of fish, and they thus treated the dumb creature, loved its protector like a being with a soul. Soul means like their spirit. With the heart it loved it. Who? The dog. So the dog was treated very kindly by the old couple. They caught different variety of fish and fed the dog. The dog was also comfortable with them. So it continued like this. Okay. First paragraph. Okay.
सर आज आप कहाँ तक करवाएंगे?
Huh?
सर आज आप कहाँ तक करवाएंगे?
Only 2 paragraphs we will do today. Okay. Because time is only, I think, 10 minutes are there. 10 minutes are there, no? Only 5 minutes. 5 minutes are left. Okay. The old man, being a rice farmer, went daily with hoe or spade into the field.
9 minutes.
Okay. Working hard from morning until Tento Sama. Tento Sama is the name of the sun god. Tento Sama. In Japanese language, it is called sun god. Tento Sama is the sun god. So from morning to evening, the old man used to work in the field, and he was a rice farmer. So he worked in the field from morning to evening. So till Tento Sama had gone behind the hills, because there was no watch at that time. You will know morning and evening by seeing the movement of the sun god only. Okay. Every day the dog followed him to work. So every day the dog was going with them. So this much today we will read. So in Japan, please write. So till now we have read the this page only. We will continue after maybe tomorrow if we get period we will continue. This is the story of Japan. Story from Japan. 19th century Japan. Okay. So there were rich landowners at that time called daimyos. Okay. So there were rich landlords who were called daimyos. They were in Japan. There lived one old, honest, hardworking couple. Honest, hardworking couple. Okay. This much. They had a pet dog. They had a pet dog. So
सर ये हमें लिखना नहीं है क्या?
no need. If you understand, don't write. Only remember. So summary of these two first page only I have written today. We will see afterwards. Okay. So in Japan there were at that time daimyos were ruling, and there lived one old couple. The old couple they were both honest and hardworking. They had a pet dog. They loved their dog very much. This much today. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, okay. No class no after this.
No class, sir.
Okay, you enjoy the day. Prepare for tomorrow. All the best. All the
Thank
best
you,
for
sir.
tomorrow's exam. Okay.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye sir.
Bye. Okay.
Bye, sir.
Bye. Please read.
Bye sir.
To do well, as I told you, to do well in the exam.
Okay sir.
Okay.
Bye sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay.